Hi guys, so here is another question on departmental account, and this is from the past question. Question 1 says that state 5 advantages of departmental account. Then the next question is questions that needs to be computed in departmental account. Shop Brand Limited is a retail shop. It has three departments, A, B, C. The data for the month of April 2021 are as follows. We have the opening stock, the sales, the purchases, wages and salaries, heating and lighting is this 8,000 naira. So it wasn't apportioned. So obviously the apportionment ratio is going to be given in the additional information. Rent, advertising, depreciation of furniture for the three departments, general expenses, clothing stock. So here is a note. We were told that heating and lighting and rent are to be apportioned to the department ABC in ratio 3 to 2 to 1, and general expenses are to be apportioned in ratio 3 to 1 to 1 overall the department. Advertising are to be apportioned equally. You are required to prepare trading profit and loss account for the month of April. You are okay. There's an error now, but so here is so let me quickly go over the question 1. Please type advantages of departmental account. So departmental account is one of the measures usually introduced by an organization in order to monitor expenses incurred by each department, as well as their performances in terms of profit maximization. It is commonly practiced in departmental stores. A departmental store is made up of many stores, in each store dealing with separate goods under the same roof. So departmental account simply means that it is a type of account that is being prepared by a business that does not have just one line of business. So they have different lines of businesses. So what are the advantages? 1, it enables the management to ascertain the department that has the highest earnings and consequently decide to increase their goods and space occupied. 2, it will reveal loss-making departments which will not be apparent in a combined account. Management will, in turn, decide whether to recognize or eliminate the department completely. 3, friendly rivalry and competition are stimulated among various departments. 4, the progress of each department can be ascertained and monitored. 5, departmental managers and workers can be remunerated on the basis of their performances. So what are the disadvantages? 1, wait time. The healthy rivalry may change to unhealthy rivalry, which may not be good enough. 2, a manager and his staff may be wrongly classified as non-performing because of the volume of sales and without regards to the nature of the goods being sold as well as their utility. 3, bases of apportionment of expenses are sometimes arbitrary and non-scientific. 4, the presence of some loss-making departments creates awareness and consequently sales for others. This is not recognized or rewarded. So let's take a look at the competition. So we have the trading profit and loss account for the year ended. So we have the value for the shares for each of the departments. Then for the cost of goods sold, for us to ascertain the cost of goods sold is going to be opening stock plus our purchases. Opening stock plus purchases will amount to goods available for sale. Then less closing stock will amount to cost of goods sold. So for us to ascertain our gross profit is going to be sales minus cost of goods sold. So let me represent this to be X, and represent this to be Y. So to ascertain your gross profit is going to be X minus Y. So this is the gross profit for the three departments. So for the expenses, we have the heating and lighting, which is from weapons 1, because we were given in the note that the apportionment for the heating and lighting should be ratio 3 to 2 to 1. Ratio 3 to 2 to 1. So to apportion it, and the total amount for the heating and lighting is 8,000 naira. So that will be 3 over 6. 3 for department A, that will be 3 over 6, which is the total ratio. That is 3 plus 2 plus 1 amounted to 6 times 8,000 for department B. 2 over 6 for department C. 1 over 6 times the amount, which resulted to the values we have here for under eating and lighting, which are those ones here. And for the rent, the same thing is applicable to rent. We apportion it to ratio 3 to 2 to 1, and the total amount of the rent is 6,400, which is given in the question. Rent is 6,400. So then for general expenses, the same thing. The general expenses ratio apportionment is ratio 3 to 1 to 1, which is this. And for the advertising, we were told that the advertising had to be apportioned equally. So since we are dealing with 3 departments, so and the total expenses for advertising is 1,200. So we have 1,200 divided by 3, which amounted to this 400 that we have for each of the departments. Advertising is this. So wages and salaries is given in the question. The precision of furniture is also given in the question. So your total expenses is this amount. Addition of the total expenses given us. So to get a net profit is going to be your gross profit minus your total expenses will amount to this. So that will be for our net profit is going to be gross profit minus total expenses. So let me write the acronym. So gross profit GP stands for gross profits. Then TE, that is total expenses. So that is all for the departmental account. So it's very, very important that you take your time to study this departmental account. At least it is very, very easy to solve. Just take your time to practice over and over again. Also, try to don't forget to rate the advantages of it. You can also to be on the safer side, also learn the disadvantages, of which I have read before the commencement of this video. Thanks so much for your time. See you in the next video. Peace out.